Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best reviews on the hottest products in the market. Today, we're diving into the world of breakfast with a product that has been creating quite a buzz: the Eggo thick and fluffy frozen waffles. These waffles are known for their delicious taste and fluffy texture, making them a standout choice for breakfast enthusiasts. Stick around as we explore what makes these waffles so special. If you're a fan of breakfast, you'll know that waffles are a beloved morning treat. But what sets the Eggo thick and fluffy frozen waffles apart from the rest? Well, these waffles come in an 11.6-ounce box, with each box containing 6 delectable waffles. They are crafted with a perfect balance of crispy and fluffy goodness that's hard to resist. Just take a look at these mouth-watering waffles, golden brown, perfectly toasted, and ready to be enjoyed. The Eggo thick and fluffy frozen waffles are available in a variety of flavors, including original, cinnamon, buttery maple, blueberry, and chocolate chip. But today, we're focusing on the classic original flavor, which is infused with Madagascar vanilla, giving it that rich, aromatic taste. One of the great things about these waffles is their versatility. You can enjoy them as a standalone breakfast treat, smothered in butter and syrup. Or, get creative and pair them with your favorite toppings like jellies, preserves, or even whipped cream. Feeling savory? These waffles are also perfect for making delicious waffle sandwiches with fried chicken, bacon, or sausage. Worried about artificial additives? The Eggo thick and fluffy frozen waffles are free from artificial colors and flavors, making them a healthier choice for you and your family. Plus, they provide a good source of 8 essential vitamins and minerals. Now, let's hear what customers have to say about these waffles. With over 4,800 ratings and an impressive 4.8-star average, it's clear that people love them. Almost as good as homemade, says one satisfied customer. Another raves, fluffy, crispy, and delicious. And here's a review that caught our eye: better than Waffle House. In conclusion, if you're in search of the best Belgian-style waffles available in the market, look no further than Eggo thick and fluffy frozen waffles. With their incredible taste, versatility, and positive customer reviews, they are a breakfast staple worth trying. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to Amazon and get your hands on a box of Eggo thick and fluffy frozen waffles today. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique. Enjoy your waffles.